Dear 7th standard students, welcome back to the serious session of Maths, Term 3. Now we are going to solve exercise 1.3. Here we discuss about the multiplication of decimal numbers. Let us get into the session.
Look at this exercise 1.3. First question, find the product of the following. First one, 0.5 into 3. 0.5 into 3. First multiply without the decimal point. 5 3s are 15. So 0 into 3, 0. Here one digit before we have to keep the point. So 1.5 is the answer. So answer 1.5. Next one, 3.75 into 6. 375 into 6. 5 6 are 30. Carry over 3. And then 7 6 are 42 plus 3 45. Carry over 4. 3 6 are 18 plus 4 22. Here 2 digit before we have to keep the point. So answer 22.50. 22.50. Next one, 50.2 into 4. 50.2, 502 into 4. 2 4s are 8, 0 4 0, 5 4s are 20. Before one digit we have to keep the point, means 200.8. So answer 200.8. Next one, 0.03. So 3 into 9, that is 27. Listen, before 2 digit we have to give the point, means here 1 2. So before the point nothing is there, means we put the 0. So answer 0.27. Next one, 453.03 into 7. Write down the number without the decimal point. 3 7s are 21. Carry over 2. 0 into 7, 0. 2. 3 7s are 21. Carry over 2. 5 7s are 35. Plus 2. 37. 4 7s are 28. Plus 3. 31. Before 2 digit we have to keep the point, means 3171.21. And then next sum, 4 into 0.7. 4 into 0.7. Sum 4s are 28, 0 0. So 28, and here one digit before we have to give the point, means 2.8 is the answer. So answer 2.8. That is the answer. Second sum, find the area of the parallelogram whose base is 6.8 cm and height is 3.5 cm. Listen. First write down what they given. Given base B equal to 6.8 cm and height 3.5 cm. We have to find out the area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram. What is the formula for area of parallelogram? That is B into H square units. What is B here? 6.8 into H 3.5. Multiply this 2 without the decimal point. 68 into 35. 8 5s are 40. Carry over 4. 6 5s are 30. 34. 8 3s are 24. Carry over 2. 6 3s are 18. Plus 2. 20. 8 3 2. 2380. Listen here, after before one digit we have to keep the point, and here before one digit the given the point. So totally before 2 digit we have to keep the point, means we get 23.80 centimeter square. Therefore area of parallelogram is equal to 23.80 centimeter square. That is the answer. Next, third question. Find the area of the rectangle whose length is 23.7 centimeter and breadth is 15.2 centimeter. Here also write down the given length L equal to 23.7 centimeter and breadth 15.2 centimeter. Here they ask area of rectangle. Area of rectangle formula is L into B square units. L is 23.7 and B 15.2. Multiply these numbers without the decimal point. 237 into 152. 7 2s are 14. Carry over 1. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. 2 2s are 4. Next, fifth table. 7 5s are 35. Carry over 3. 3 5s are 15 plus 3 18. Carry over 1. 2 5s are 10 plus 1 11. And first table, same number we have to get. Listen, 4, 7 plus 5 12. Carry over 1. 5 plus 8 13 plus 7 20. 6 here 3. Three 6 0 2 4. Here one digit, here one digit. So before 2 digit we have to keep the point. So 360.24. So area of rectangle is equal to 360.24 centimeter square. That is the answer. Fourth sum, multiply the following. First subdivision, 2.57 into 10. Listen, first you have to write down this decimal number into fraction. How will you write down? Write down the number without the decimal point, and after the decimal point 2 digits is there. So divided by 100 into already 10 is there. Now cancel this. 1 0 cancelled. Next step, 257 by 10. Now 257 write down as it is. Here 1 0 is there in denominator, So before one digit we have to keep the point. So that is the answer. Next sum 0.51 into 10. So write down the number without the decimal point, and denominator here after the decimal point 2 digits is there. So 100 into 10. Same procedure, 0 0 cancelled. Next step 51 by 10. Now write down the number, and 1 0 is there in denominator. So before one digit we have to keep the point, means we get 5.1. That is the answer. Fourth sum, write down the number without the decimal point. So 1 2 5 3 6 7. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. So 1,25,367 divided by, here after the decimal point 3 digits is there. So we have to put 1000 into, already 100 is there. So write down that, and now cancel the zeros. 2 0 2 0 cancelled. What is the remaining number? 1,25,367 divided by 10. Now the answer is, write down the number as it is, and denominator 10 is there. So before one digit we have to keep the point, means we get 12,536.7. That is the answer. Next one, 3,451 divided by, after the decimal point 2 digit, so 100 into, already 100 is there. So cancel means 100 cancelled. So what is the answer? 3,451. That is the answer. Fourth sum, fifth subdivision, 62.735 into 100. So write down the number without the decimal point divided by, after the decimal point 3 digits, so divided by 1000 into 100 is there. So cancel this zeros and write down the remaining number divided by 10. So write down the number, and denominator 10 is there. So before one digit we have to keep the point, means 6,273.5 is the answer. Next sum, 0.7. So 7 by 10 into 10. So cancel 10 10. So answer 7 only. That is the answer. Next one, 0.03. 3 by 2 digits is there after the decimal point. So 100 into 100. So 100 cancelled. Answer 3. Next sum, 4 by 10 into 1000. So 10 get cancelled. What is the remaining number? 4 into 100. So multiply this, means 4 ones are 4. Put the 2 zeros, means we get 400. That is the answer. Fifth sum, a wheel of a baby cycle covers 49.7 centimeter in one rotation. Find the distance covered in 10 rotations. Listen. In 1 rotation, distance covered is 49.7 centimeter. So in 10 rotation, how much? So distance covered in 1 rotation equal to 49.7 centimeter. Therefore, distance covered in 10 rotation means equal to 49.7 into 10. Write down the decimal number as fraction 49.7. So 497 divided by 10 into, already 10 is there, so write down that, and 10 get cancelled. Now how much? 497 centimeter. So distance covered in 10 rotation equal to 497 centimeter. That is the answer. Sixth sum. A picture chart cost rupees 1.50. Radha wants to buy 20 charts to make an album. How much does she have to pay? Listen, cost of one chart. Cost of one chart equal to rupees 1.50. So, Radha wants to buy how many charts? 20 charts. So, cost of 20 charts equal to 1.50 into 20. 1.50 is the decimal number. So, make it in fraction. 150 divided by 100. After the decimal point, two digits. So, divided by 100 into 20. Here 1010 get cancelled and here 1010 cancelled. Write down the remaining number 15 into 2. So how much? Rupees 30. So cost of 20 charts equal to rupees 30. How much does Radha have to pay? So Radha have to pay rupees 30. That is the answer. Seventh sum. Find the product of the following. First subdivision 3.6 into 0.3. Listen. Write these numbers in fraction form. So 36 divided by, after the decimal point one digit is there, so divided by 10 into, here also 3 divided by 10 only. Now multiply, there is no cancellation, so multiply the numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. 36 3s are 36, 3, 6 3s are 18, carry over 1, 3 3s are 9 plus 1, 10. So 108 divided by 10 10s are 100. Now answer. Here denominator in 2 zeros. So before 2 digit we have to keep the point, means 1 point, answer 1.08. Next one, 52.3 into 0.1. Write down in fraction form. So 523 divided by 10 into 1 by 10. 523 into 1, 523 divided by 10 into 10, 100. So 523. Here also in denominator 2 zeros. So before 2 digit we have to keep the point. So answer 5.23. Next one, 537.4. 5374 divided by 10 into 2 by 10. Now multiply these numbers. 5374 into 2. 4 2s are 8, 7 2s are 14, carry over 1, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7, 5 2s are 10. So 10,748 divided by 100. Write down the number. Before 2 digit only we have to keep the point. So 107.48. That is the answer. Next one, 0.6 into 0.06. So 6 divided by 10. Here after the decimal point 1 digit is there, into 6 divided by 100. Here after the decimal point 2 digit is there. So divided by 100. Now multiply the numerator with numerator, means we get 36 divided by 10 into 1000. 1 is 1. 1 0 plus 2 0, 3 zeros. Now listen. Here in denominator 3 zeros is there. So before 3 digits we want to keep the point. But here 2 digit only. Put 0 and then keep the point. 1 2 3. Before 3 digits we have to keep the point. So 0.036. Answer 0.036. Next one, 62.2 into 0.23. Write down in fraction. 622 divided by 10 into 23 by 100. Now 622 into 23. 622 into 23. 2 3s are 6. Again 2 3s are 6. 6 3s are 18. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 6 2s are 12. 6 10. So 0, carry over 1, 9 plus 4, 13, carry over 1, 4, 1. So 14,306 divided by 10 into 100,000. Write down the number. Before 3 digits we have to keep the point. So 14.306. Answer 14.306. That is the answer. 7th sum, 6th subdivision, 1.02 into 0.05. Write down in fraction form. 102 divided by 100. After the decimal point 2 digits. So 100. Here 5 by 100. Before the number there is 0 means there is no value. So no need to write that. Now 102 into 5. 2 5s are 10, carry over 1, and 0 5 is 5 plus 0 into 5, 0 plus 1 1, 1 5 is 5. So 510 divided by 1 into 1, 1, 4 zeros, here 2 0, here 2 zeros, so 4 zeros, and listen here 510 only is there, but we have to keep the point how many digits before? 4 digits. So 1 2 3, add 1 0 and keep the point. 1 2 3 4. 4 digits before we have to keep the point. There is nothing in front of the point, so put 0 for that. Answer is 0.0510. That is the answer. Next one, 10.05 into 1.05 divided by 100 into 105 divided by 100. Now multiply this 1005 and 105. First to fifth table, 5 5s are 25, carry over 2 means write down as it is, and 0 into 5 0, and 1 5 is 5. Next 0, put 4 0 for that, and then first table same answer we have to get, and then 5 2 5 5 0 1. 105525 divided by 111 4 zeros. So write down the number 105525. Before 4 digit we have to give the point, so 1 2 3 4. So answer 10.5525. That is the answer. Next one, 101.01. Write down the number without the decimal point divided by 100 into 1 by 100. Now multiply with 1 means same answer we get. So 10,101 divided by 10,000. 4 zeros, no? Now write down the number. Before 4 digit we have to keep the point means 1.0101. Answer 1.0101. Next sum, 100.01 divided by 100 into 11.10. Now multiply these two numbers, 10,001 and 11 into 11. First table, again 1 1 0 0 1 1 divided by 1000. How many digits before we have to keep the point means 1 2 3. 3 digits before we have to keep the point. So answer 102 10.011. That is the answer. Here exercise 1.3 is over. So children practice well. I'll see you again in next exercise. Thank you.